Yo. See, it is working. It's working. All right, bro. I haven't been streaming a fat minute, so we'll see how we do, bro. Don't get me wrong though, bro. Like low key though, since just because I haven't been trading doesn't mean like I haven't been on the charts, bro. I've been on the fucking charts a lot. I just kind of like doing my own thing. Sometimes I'll end up waiting like 2 hours, 3 hours, right? It's like me and my cousin both talked about it, right? We're talking about looking at the hourly. We low-key just, it's low-key like I don't know, it's pretty good in a sense, you know what I mean? Hourly, I just tell this shit loud as fuck. Yeah, so like, I've still been doing this, I've still been trading and everything, bro. Dude, it's been crazy, bro. Fucking, I was $200 away from passing, and then I fucking failed the account, bro. I was like, what the fuck? 7 different times, bro. I counted it. No. 6 different times, bro. I should have got funded, right? Like, the trade was like, boom. Like, the trade won. I got out of break even because it stopped me out of break even. I was like, what the fuck? And then, I think 3 of those 7 trades, bro, I got stopped out. Like, my stop loss, of course. And then flew all the way up to my fucking TP. And I was like, what the fuck? So, bro, that one was rough. Last eval we had, which was last week, right? We were doing pretty good. We were up 1K one day, 600 the other day. We lost 1K the next day, right? We were trading Asia, right? Lost like a big trade on Asia. Lost another big trade. We lost like 1 trade for $250 the next day. So I'm gonna just lock it, bro. Next day, I was like, fuck. I don't know what was in my head, bro. I don't even know why I was risking that 1K, right? Fucking lost 2 trades. And then I was like, bro, I'm down 500. Only got 500 left. So I full ported it. Bro, hold on. And it didn't even hit my stop loss. And then I lost the account. I was like, bro, are you kidding me? And then it flew all the way up to my TP. And then the last one, right, where I said like I fell 100 away. Bro, I got stopped down the middle of my trade, right? Lost the account. And then it went up to my TP, bro. I was like, dude, what the fuck? But honestly, bro, like I'm not even mad, bro. Like, I mean, like I'm a little upset, right? I mean, who wouldn't be, bro? But I think it's just, at least we know we're right there, bro. I don't even know, like, it's just like, I don't want to say luck of the draw, bro. It's definitely just probability, bro. But we just keep getting stop loss hunted, and yeah, dude, I don't know. I've definitely stopped. Bro, full month with no stream. I know we traded, bro. I just like I don't know, like there's some days I just like not streaming, bro, if I'm being honest, bro. I just like sitting here, you know what I mean? And just saying like, okay, what the fuck we got going on here, you feel me, bro? But yeah. I'm gonna try to stream up some more, bro. I've just been like really locked in, like I don't know, like I like just being focused up in a way, if that makes sense, guys. I'm just like, right? Because there's some days, bro, where like I will wait like 2 hours just to take a trade, bro. Sometimes like the Asia trade's on. Oh, and I started trading gold too, bro. And I started trading gold too, working trader. I was thinking about taking this long, but it was just like, I don't know. I felt like it was just on gold, so I never entered in. Would have been a pretty good one, honestly. I think it would have been. I would have been up just a bit. But yeah, I know we traded, bro. My fault, y'all. We'll try to start streaming a little bit more every now and then. Every now and then out of the week. Do this. Wow. Dude, no, bro. Oh yeah, my bad, Rookie Trader. I was just saying it. I don't think anyone was on. Dude, so 2 accounts ago, I was 200 away from passing my eval, bro. and then 200, and I was just like, I'm just keep holding, right? Cause I keep like whenever I move my stop loss, I just get stop loss hunted, and then we end up, you know what I mean? We end up fucking winning the trade, right? So yeah, I was 200 away. I was like, I'm just keep holding. Went all the way down to break even, right? I was like up like 1200, bro. That trade, right? Probably should have got out. I was just like, I'm like a little bit away from passing the count line, so just hold, right? A few more ticks. Yeah, crazy, right? So I didn't, so I was like, fuck, went down 1500 again. And then, bro, I got stopped out like, so there's like 7 different trades I got, right, bro? Fucking break evens, right? I think so many break evens. And then they all hit my TP right after. Like, bro, like me and my cousin were talking about, like, what the fuck, bro? And then, like, 3 of them, bro, it hit my stop loss and it went right up to my TP, bro. So it was like the same shit's basically going on back to back to back to back, right? I was like, bro, what in the fuck is going on, right? So then, bro, so yeah, that's what happened in the last one, right? And then for my last trade, right, I was just like, you know what? I'm gonna just hold this trade, bro. This trade's gonna win. And it hit my TP, bro, which is the crazy part. It literally hit my TP. But I didn't even get stopped out in it, bro. Like, I was still mid trade because, the loss limit, bro. It breached my account, and I was like, what the fuck? And it went all the way up to my TP, bro, where I would have passed that eval finally, right? Dude, I was mad as fuck, rookie, bro. Mad as fuck. But then I was like, you know what? I get over it, bro. Like, whatever. It is what it is. Like, it happened all that whole week, so like 2 weeks ago, right? Last week, I got another eval, right? Bro, honestly, it was pretty good, bro. Like, I made 1K one day, 700 the next day. And then, the next day after that, right, the third day, I lost like 600. No, yeah, I think I lost like 680, bro, on Asia alone. I was like, fuck, dude. And then I took a trade I took another trade during the New York session, right? Lost that one. I was like, fuck, dude, 3 losses in a row. That's a big one, right? And it's all basically in the same day. So I was like, damn, bro. I was like, what the fuck? So, and then I was like, I'm gonna just lock it, wait for tomorrow. Next day went, bro. I lost 2 trades, right? So I was down like 500, 600, something like that. And then I was like, bro, I'm gonna just get in on this one. The same thing, bro. I didn't even get stopped out. Well, no. It stopped. I think I can go to it, bro. It was I was holding this shit for hours, though. This one. It was like an overnight trade. I was like an hourly on gold. It's like, kind of like this engulfing. My stop's like a little bit underneath it. There you got stopped out. Like right here, bro. So what? 12 more ticks, bro. And then it went all the way up. It was a long ass trade though, so it was like I was like, you know what, that's kind of valid why, it was like a long ass trade, so I could see why. But dude, yeah, so many so many stop outs at break even. Crazy actually. But it is what it is, bro. My last account made $700 day one, 1,000 day 2, day 3 went on 2 and blew it all. Bro, you see, yeah, dude, I'm just like we're on the same thing basically, bro. Dude, that was nuts though. Like I was like, bro, like how is this happening? I think my chart got messed up or something here. I'll admit it, bro. But yeah, dude, this shit was, bro. Like it's just so aggravating, bro. I guess best way to put it at. I was like, dude, how the fuck am I losing this shit, bro? But I guess it is what it is, bro. On to the next trade, I guess. But yeah, so and I wasn't even supposed to be on an Eval, bro. Like I swear, like I literally like my rebuild subscription wasn't until a while, and I was like, I'm spending way too much on evals, bro. Let me just practice trade. So today was supposed to be a practice trade, but I got charged, and I was like, bro, man, I might as well just use it then. But yeah, bro, fucking whole bunch of like stop outs, bro, and just to hit my TV is like kind of wild, bro. It's like my entry might as well be my stop loss. Took a week off and came back today. Up 1,000 in lockdown. I'm gonna try to take this one slow. Unlocking for real, for real. I fucking believe it, bro. You got it, bro. Like, maybe I really don't like taking breaks, bro. I did take one day off though last Friday, bro, because I was just over it, bro. I was like, what the fuck, dude? I need to clear my head. Like, I need to stop trading for at least one day. Probably not the best thing, you know what I mean? I don't know, but I just took Friday off, bro, and enjoyed my day. So we'll see how it treats us, man. Yeah, I was trying to look for an NQ trade over here, but I don't think we're gonna have it. I think we could possibly have like we'll see. We'll see what's going on during gold or fucking NQ either or. The top step outs in the main reason I dropped trading NQ and switched to gold price. I like the price action wave. Yeah, I do. Like me too, bro. Like on gold, bro. I like tried doing it. I was doing 5 minute, but now that I started, like charting on the hourly, bro, dude, it's honestly super good, bro. And like, but lately, like, I know it's not me, right, bro? But like, gold's been moving super slow, so like, I haven't really been like, you know what I mean, like looking at it too hard, right? But yeah, I mean, I was looking at this earlier, like the little long at the engulfing right now would be basically break even. So we'll see how this one does, but. Yeah, dude, gold's lacked down a little bit, but I think you can obviously just size up to make up for it. But yeah, and he's moving like crazy though, bro. There's so much like there's 400 ticks between zones right now. Almost like 500 in between zones. Yeah, the gold is nice. It's just it would just chop up though like a good bit before it hits your TP. Dude, we could see that engulfing on gold hourly. We could take the long somewhere, but yeah, I honestly don't see us taking the trade at all, bro. Probably won't take a trade till like 10 a.m., bro. once we have something. Ugh. 65% micro start targeting 10 points, so like 550 per trade. So those are pretty decent for supply and demand breakout retest during Asia. Yeah, I do. Like, yeah, bro. Like me and my cousin Deadass have been looking at that shit. It's fucking moved pretty nice. Not gonna lie. It's like you like could basically catch a trade at any time, bro. You know what I mean? I feel like you get good setups no matter what. Good setups. Well, I could get in a long on gold just based off this gold from that happen, but to we crawl back down.
Order filled.
We were saying 280 on this trade. See how we stick. Only thing I would say, what's up R2, bro? The thing I would say is that like we're still inside the zone, like our stops. Yes, sir. I'm back to R2, bro. I could honestly see us engulfed on the hourly. But it's fucked up, bro. But there's a fucking there's a fucking candle here. I don't know what's going on with TopStep right now. I don't know why my thing isn't on here. See, it's going all the way up until here too. We'll see. Jacob, bro, dude, that's fire, bro. Dude, congrats, bro. How much did you get on it? How much you get on your payout, bro? It's super good. Bro, I feel like we could definitely hold it into like right here. This level right here. Dude, I know, bro, it's fucking fire, dude. I know that shit felt so good too, bro. 700, dude, yeah, hell yeah, bro. Do you want to get some drawdown? That's why, or did you pull out half of it? Yeah, dude, we're definitely gonna be going up. I guess the only thing I'm scared is like our stops are inside the zone. So I wish we could have been a little bit lower back here, but it's all right. Why is that candle, bro? I don't know, dude. I think there's like it was like a glitch or some shit on top steps, bro. That shit should be like all the way down here, bro. I don't know why it's doing that. You put out 60%, dude. Oh fuck yeah, dude. I thought that you could only pull out 50% though. Yeah, alright, too. I don't even know why the fuck that candle's all the way up there, bro. NQ's finally in their zone right now. Mm, um, honestly don't know. I'm gonna click on that over here. I showed you a YouTube day trading live YouTubers. Yeah, we were right. We probably should have entered off there, guys. Oh, okay, with funding ticks. Oh, okay. Dude, hell yeah, bro. That's fucking good, bro. I know it felt so good, bro, getting that getting that payout, dude. Date. We holding VWAP? No, VWAP's messed up. Yeah, COVID before the blood Bluetooth phones. Damn, bro. Now I know. I'm sure y'all know Sauce, right? Sauce has two fundeds right now, though, bro. He's been cooking up a little bit. Another thing I did was clear my charts off all view ups and EMAs. The chart should be off PA. I feel like it helps me psychology by having less noise on the charts. I can see that, bro. Yeah, I can definitely see that, bro. Yeah, dude, it's definitely like I could definitely see that. I hope this right here is just us retesting that engulfing and we pump back up without having me getting stopped out. And Q's doing on the hourly. And bro, and Q's looking just chopping right now. Yeah, I did, bro. I'm not like that crazy locking, but like someone posted it and then put like the quotations like "Yes, King died." I was like, what the fuck? Damn, bro. R.I.P. the guy then, I guess, man. It looks like we might get stopped out here. So yeah, bro. Appreciate it, save you, bro. But yeah, dude, I don't know. I kind of just like trading on my own, bro. Fucking, I low key wanted to pass those funds, bro, so I come back and be like surprised, bro. You feel me, bro? Leave $200 away, and then I was like, no. That was what I was gonna do, bro. Come back with the fund and just be like, all right, guys, look what we did here. Did not play out, bro. Been rough for me. I've been crashing out, blowing my accounts. I don't even feel the way I do because I know if I stick to the plan, I do okay. Yeah, bro, definitely. I think so too. I think this trade, like I said, only reason I'm scared is because our stops are inside the zone, right? I wish we would enter like a little bit down here. That stops like way down here, but see how this trade goes, bro. But nah, bro, I was telling Ricky Trader, dude, like the last two evals, I've been so close to passing them. 200 away, 900 away from passing the last one. The $200 away, dude. I just held I was like, nah, I'm a hold, bro, because all my trades ended up hitting right. There's been 7 trades. If I would have, just held in, stayed in, or not got stopped out, they would have hit my TV. Like either you got stopped out by a tick, or I got stopped out at break even, right, bro? You don't understand the pain I was feeling, bro. I was like, dude, there's no fucking way this is happening. I'm about to get stopped out right now, probably. I don't think we're gonna be holding. I thought we were gonna hold it right here, but looks like we just came right back down to it.
Order filled.
All good, bro. Yeah, bro. There's been times where I just literally get stopped at like, let's say like right here, boom, and then it goes flies up. Dude, that's like the most aggravating thing ever, bro. Actually, I was like, no way. But it's just, it's the name of the game, bro. The fuck engulfing, next candle engulfing to the downside. We don't even know what the fuck's going on anymore. I feel like we were creating an uptrend right here, but I guess we are not. I guess we're just going back down again. No, we're still in an uptrend on the hourly. Dude, but yeah, bro, it's fucking been crazy, dude. Been crazy for sure. I don't know why these are like this, guys. Stupid. It's a nice little pinch right there. Just gonna wait, dude. No point. No point in rushing this shit. If it somehow ends up how we get stopped out by a few ticks just first to hit TP, bro, so fucking be it. I think he was just chopping up right now, bro. I'm not gonna see shit. I'm probably gonna wait to see if we get something on the hourly of NQ, and so probably like next 25 minutes we'll probably take a trade. In the next 20 minutes after this hourly closes. Let's see, man. Dude, I'm stretching my back out right now. My back in so much pain, dog. Bro, yeah, dude, honestly, bro. Fucking yesterday, bro, I was like fucking out of it, bro. Like, I don't know, I feel like every single thing I was saying, I was just fucking everything up. I was like, bro, what the fuck's going on? But nah, bro, it's been making bread, bro. I'm like averaging like 30, I averaged 30 an hour last month. This month, I'm like, not doing the best. I think I'm like 26 right now. Bro, it's because like the weekdays were super slow. So I didn't really get like crazy amount of, you know what I mean? Like Wednesday, bro, I think I only walked out with like $98, bro. And then come Thursday, bro, it was so dead, bro. Like I only had 3 tables. They all tipped like shit, bro. And I was like, you know what? I'm gonna just go ahead and leave, bro. Like so, I was like, hey, I'll pick up Sunday if you cut me. They cut me, and I picked up Sunday, bro. So I was chilling. Looks like we're holding inside the zone. So the next swing is treat us. Bro, no, definitely Ricky Trader, bro. Definitely still a cool little spot, bro. I'm gonna make, let me see how much I make. But yeah, bro, Logan's been dead. I think just because everyone's saving up for the holidays, probably see like a big increase. Like they said, like during like December, when that shit's like crazy. Go. So yeah, I'm averaging 25.5 right now. So we shall see. Yeah, so that day I probably would have made like 800. So 800 in total. It's alright, bro. We'll be alright. I wonder what we're gonna do on NQ, bro. We haven't moved much at all this hour. Honestly, I think we might even take a trade if I don't see anything. And and then after the hour closes. In the meantime, bro, I guess we'll fucking play some fucking Candy Crush. Candy Crush for now. So we just got stopped out just to go back up. Okay. I stopped out by a little bit, but damn near, I think 2 candles worth. Just going away, guys. Be a little bit boring for now. But yeah, guys, I mean, like, what y'all been up to, bro? Tell me about y'all, bro. I feel like I'm literally just doing the same shit every single day, bro. Like nothing's really been new. I guess you could say, bro. Tell me something new about y'all, bro. Like anything good happened, bro. Anything cool, interesting, bro. Y'all meet anyone, bro? Anything like that? Did y'all meet anyone? Yeah, bro. Like, I mean, I don't know, bro. Like, what y'all been on, guys? Is it going? Is it going? Is it going? Yeah, we got like 15 more minutes. Just do something. Wise. Mm, bro. And draw down on MES. Oof. So sorry. R2. Should not be, bro. Every day been the same shit last for the past couple of months. That's how I'm feeling, bro. Like, I don't think anything's really changed. I mean, I've been going crazy at the gym. I mean, I guess you could say that, bro. Like, that's a little something that I've been, I guess, you know what I mean? It's like, oh, okay, well, yeah, I mean, I've been going kind of stupid in the gym. That's really it, though, you know what I mean? Like, I don't know, bro. Like my life's pretty, you know, I feel like I stick to a schedule, bro. That's really it, dude. But yeah, no, I mean, it's pretty cool, you know. Been going crazy at it, bro. Um, I was about to get a bodybuilder coach, right, to get me on my diet, like a good diet, bro. But I ended up not, because he was trying to charge 280, which is, you know, like they're trainers, bro. It's valid, bro. You know what I mean? I guess, but I'm not trying to pay 280, bro. I'm not gonna pay you 280 just to give me a diet, right? Maybe if I had the funds, fuck it, bro. But 280, fuck no. It's my boy that bodybuilds, right? He's about to get into his pro card, which means like you're about to get officiated, like this guy's like real deal kind of thing, right? He's saying, yeah, bro, I'll just pay $80. I was like, dude, that's a fucking steal, bro. Like $80. Like I know a lot of people charge like 140, 150, right? So I texted his coach. His coach was talking about 284. I was like, fuck no, bro. I don't know if I want to pay that, you know? So yeah, bro, it definitely sucks, bro. But I mean, I'll figure out. You know, like I was always pretty good in college about kind of like what I'm eating and how to eat right. So I don't think it's gonna be too much of a struggle, just to get like in shape. Like really, I just want my abs to be like crazy back again, right? I think just doing abs, cardio, eating right, it's all gonna fall in place. We got these Jello ones, bro, that are sugar free too, bro. Fucking funny fun fact, bro. These used to have gelatin because I don't eat pork, right? These used to have a gelatin, and up until now, bro, they don't have any more gelatin, which is kind of like I don't know, like I'm kind of curious, like what the heck? I looked at it, I was just looking, bro. I don't even know why I looked at the back of it. Then I found out they don't have any gelatin, which is pork, right? Gelatin, it's pork, right? And I was like, what the fuck? So yeah, these don't carry any more gelatin. Jelly beans, which used to have pork in them, don't carry any more gelatin either, bro. Which is kind of weird. Kind of weird, bro. I don't like. It's weird how they all just kind of stopped putting pork in their products, which is good for me. But it's weird. I'm like, why are they doing that? In a sense, I guess. $200, $80, 280, steep as hell. Like my shit, bro. It's steep. Yeah, I mean, I guess so, bro. But it's alright. Like, we're chilling, bro. We literally got 11 more minutes. I'm not saying anything, bro. So I think this could be for us calling it, you know. I could see us come back around, coming down here. If I see a setup down here, I'll definitely gonna try to take it or anything like that. But yeah, I think that honestly might do it, bro. If we end up like not really doing much, I mean, I would have wanted us to go like crazy back up, or like a engulfing right here. You know what I mean? Like if like let's say 5 minute engulfs this one, I would love to take a long in that sense, just because I would put my stops underneath that engulfing, and boom, we'd be shooting for this again. I think that would definitely hit. You know, it's off to a good start. We got that pinch right there, perfect pinch in between zones though. But yeah, just like I said, if this 5 minute engulfs this 5 minute right here, and I would want to go fucking long, right? That'd be my bullish attempt right there. Oh yeah. My bad, bro. I thought you were looking like my loss. I was like, damn, like my loss 276. I was like, maybe that, but nah. Yeah, bro, 280, bro. I was like, bro, I just need a diet, bro. I don't need a guy that's gonna teach me how to train. I already know how to work out, bro. Like, I don't need that. You know, I need some guy with my diet, but it's valid, bro. I mean, they make money off that. You know what I mean? So, you know, I'm not saying, oh shit, he's not that good. Nah, bro. Bro's pretty fucking beefy, bro. But respectfully, I'm not paying 284. I definitely don't got that kind of money, bro. Maybe on evals I do, but not on that. Low key, bro, I think this could end up with an engulfing right here, guys. Be fucking nice. This could be our sign. But be patient. So even if I had it, bro, I would still feel like too, just for some information, low key tax. Yeah, I mean, but you're not wrong, bro. Like I think that's crazy, man. Like I don't know. I feel like, bro, like yeah, I just low key just need a diet, bro. But then again, it's like dude has to check, calculate like my shit, I guess, bro, and see what else. I don't know. Dude, oh fuck, bro. I didn't even, yeah. Dude, that shit is crazy, bro. I think we could go lower then, bro. And go on the hourly on fucking NQ. Dude, that was crazy move down, bro. I don't know, but then like I would be playing the top of the zone. I really don't want to do that. A short, yeah. Dude, what a fucking crash, bro. I was so focused on gold, probably looking at NQ on my other screen. Yeah, just like I said, bro. If we engulf this 5 minute, I could see us taking a long. But we'll see. We'll see. We got like a whole minute to show for it, so we'll see. see. We'll see. It hasn't done it just yet. Ooh, we might not even do it. Might not even do it. Yeah, I don't think we're not doing it. We're holding this. No long needs to be taken. Just wait. We can just flood back down. Guess we just continue the downtrend now. NQ is going crazy though. Let's go to my other screen. Dude, look at that flood down. Oh my goodness. These candles look so weird, bro. Like while I was watching it, like in the first half. Dude, look at these, bro. Those look so goofy, bro. Stretch my back out again. Ali, bro. So my brother, I know, dude, it's been a long time, bro. I've been low key just like grinding it up on myself, bro. I was telling them like they probably heard this shit so much, so you get tired of it. But dude, my second eval, the last two evals, right? 200 away from passing it, bro. I was really finna surprise y'all asses, bro. For real, I was gonna be like, back to funded again, bro. And then I lost it, bro. I was like, dude, that was such a letdown. Bro. I was gonna be hyped, bro. I was like, hey, bro, I'm gonna surprise these people with the new funded, bro. Lost it, right? Okay. Second eval, which is last week, up 1K, up 600, up like 680 the next day, right? So like almost 700. Bro, we're off to a good start. Lost 1K in one day, right? Lost like 670, 680, something like that on Asia on gold. Then I lost like a trade on gold again in the New York session. Came back, bro, right? I was like, okay, whatever. Wait, hold on. Yeah, that's how it happened for the last one, right? Second eval. Wait, hold on. 600, 700. Okay, but yeah, bro. Basically, I just keep getting stopped out like crazy, bro. Dude, damn, Savvy, bro. 10 fund is fucking nuts, dude. That's insane, bro. For real. That's good as fuck, dude. Actually, like, what the fuck? Okay, I could see us just dropping down. Hourly looks good for us to take down. I'll be risking so many fucking ticks. Almost like 600 tick stop loss for that. Two funded Fridays just got out them. I wouldn't trade too quick. I traded through them all in my 5 years. I had 100 in them. Oh my goodness, bro. Damn, Savvy, bro. Bro, I mean, at least in order to fall, bro, you must be at wait. Yeah, you know that saying where it's like in order to fall, you must be able to fly or some shit, bro. So you had all that shit, bro. So you fucking at least you did it. You know what I mean? You definitely do it again. Sauce did, bro. But Sauce wasted it again, bro. But I'm not, it was valid, bro. I mean, I can see why, bro. He was picking up, and then he got like an $800 payout, and then he blew one of the fundeds, right, which he didn't take a payout on, so he bought the back to funded one on that one for 500. And I believe he still has that one. He's been like kind of building the balance up on that one. Sauce should be cooking well. I think we just might flood down, bro. If anything, I just want to see us I want to see something for me to take a fucking short on the NQ. Give a pinch on the hourly green pinch. So I don't know what the fuck that's gonna do. We close below the zone. Right, dude? Fucking sauce not going sauce, bro. Bro, are we really just gonna flood down? So, bro, it's gonna be insane. I'm gonna try to look for something on the 1 minute where we kind of come up here and go from 1 minute downward. Ugh. Wait. I guess we might just flood down with no pullback to enter in on this. Damn, bro, gold's fucking went nuts right now. Let's see how we going, Rick Trader. Gold's about to take out that high on 5 minute. Could see that switch of structure to the upside for some longs, alright? Okay, I guess we just flood down, bro. No pullback on NQ. Nice. Nice. I kind of like longs for gold. We're gonna take the longs on gold, guys.
Order filled.
We took it because of the engulfing on 5 minute also, and on the hourly we have that green pinch right on the hourly, so it looks pretty good. See how we do on top of the zone. I could definitely see us holding for longer, but we're gonna see how we, kind of climb up there. If we start chopping around there, I could definitely see me just getting out of it. And Q, if we come back to the top, I could see us taking a trade, maybe, but I would just want to see like kind of like a good way of taking it in that sense. See the 1 minute how we're like fucking. I think we're creating that. We're about to just have that switch of structure right now, basically, right? Came back. Yeah, I think we're gonna end up taking this out, and we're gonna have a change of structure to the upside. Dude, not did you take a payout right away? Nah, I like built my account up to like 3K, so I can have like I wanted to build it up to 4K, so I got 2K and drawdown, but I ended up just going to 3K, took 1.5K first time, and then the second time I took 1.5K again. That's what I did. My bad, yo. So yeah, that's what I did. I mean, it was pretty good. I felt like 1.5K drawdown. Had that shit forever, bro. I mean, y'all were there, bro. 2 months was crazy, bro. Yeah, we've already broke structure to the upside. Definitely see us going like right there. Even hold right there and see how we do. Oof, bro, that'd be crazy, bro. I mean, yeah, I mean, I feel like, yeah, I mean, whatever you feel like right, dude, that'd be fucking insane, bro, right there. I know for me, I think like I'll probably want to do it for like 3K again, pull out 1.5K, and then you know what I mean, see how we do on it. I see us taking these highs out. That's why I have it right here. Hourly of gold, we're still pretty bullish. You know what I mean? I think we just need that little retracement, small retracement. It's fine. Come down here again. It's previous high. Back up. Okay. Damn, NQ dropped like crazy right now. Fuck, 14-second drop like that. Bro, it's like it gets cold when the fan, or obviously when the fan's on, it'll be like super cold. So I put it on low, bro, it gets like hot as fuck. There's no like like a good in between. Shit, and keep clothes like that. No. Alright, bro, I'm gonna get some stuff done around the crib and hit the gym. I see you back stream, bro. Alright, bro, yeah, dude. See you tomorrow, dog. See you tomorrow, my man. Also, Keenan, so thought I would broke below the zone, but it didn't. Breaking now, no loss. Top to the lower zone. I'll see what happens. Alright, okay, bro. Good luck, my guy. I want to go a little bit higher, so fuck it, bro. Maybe your line will work, bro. Not like I know, bro. Like I would have wanted to go higher just based off what I'm expecting. Have a little bit engulfing like around that 22, 55, 33 level. fucking see. We'll see, maybe. We shall see. Gosh, yeah, bro. I mean, as long, yeah. You feel, if you say you're not trading emotions, so fuck, bro, you should be good. I mean, I would say, I don't know, bro, just be careful if you're trying to trade against it, you know what I mean? But you know what you're doing, bro. I feel like, you all know what you're doing, bro. Stick to y'all's plan. Oof. Damn, IQ's dropping like crazy right now, bro. Yes. Alright, we're about to take out this 5 minute, bro, right here. For sure. Change. There's like no way we're not changing, fucking structure right here, bro. minutes. Zombies. Pumpkin empanada sounds so good. So we finally get some pump up going on here, man. You close it early? Is that good? I mean, safety or what? We were no long. I know we kind of dumped a little bit. I think we could still chop around there upward. Want to sub usually close below, but I'm like, yeah, I don't know. I think Loki's just chopping up for now, bro. Like either or, whatever you feel like is right. I don't want to go break even just yet. happening here, man? Bro passes high. See how we react. My dog's outside. Wow. What is it? My dog's right here. Not sure if I can see him. Brady, what's going on? Go. So we're like top of the zone right now. Like I said, perfect world. We set, we come up here, but we see some rejection. I'm gonna sell right here. So good, not too much of a red candle right there. Yeah. But you have to wait on a trade, Brady. Brady, stop it. Yeah, Alright, go. Go. You wanted to get out. No, I'm gonna separate right here. Really down here. That's fine. I'll get out. See, we finally break over it now. I feel like we should, but we'll see. We're at literally the top of the zone right about now, so. Stops right there. Awesome. Back to where it was at. Bottom of that green candle. Damn, bro, it's pushed up. Damn, that was fucking wild.
Order filled.
Stopped out at break even. Watch this shit go all the way up to my TP. That's fine, guys. Alright, we're good to end stream, bro. You know, I think that's valid enough, bro. I'm not gonna be risking much. Probably, you know what? Let's go ahead and look. Yeah, let's see the hourly. Hourly's not gonna do much either. What should I do, guys? I think 2 trades is enough. I honestly do think 2 trades is enough. lock that out. We could go higher. We could not. I saw that rejection. I just got out of it. Definitely looks like we might engulf it and just keep going higher. Right? We just need a small push down. I don't know. I don't know, guys. I think we could definitely just be looking in, see what happens here. I'll see how this candle ends real quick. I mean, we saw our 56, 60 ticks right there, bro. Kind of sucks. We lost like 46 ticks, right? Basically, so yeah, half of our profits was gone. But I don't know. I really don't know how I feel about that one, guys. I really like we could try to stretch it and push it more, but